Welcome to Vlogmas. This is my first ever Vlogmas that I am doing. So I'm pretty excited and I'm sick, as you can hear in my voice. So yeah, hopefully that goes away by tomorrow because it is not cute. It's Sunday. I really don't have any plans today. I'm just gonna go visit my mom, probably go buy a little bit of decor, not go crazy. I don't know, I just might. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited to be doing it. Let's see how good I will be at it. And, oops, trying to open the door and it's locked. All right. Oh, it's a bug. Oh, and I just put shades on because, you know, that's what you do when you don't look cute. You just throw some shades on and you're a superstar. Ooh, those hairs are not liking me today. Not at all. Oh, jeez. My hair always gets so messy. Like my little headrest behind me from a big old head. Just kidding. Wow, I'm over here like recording for Vlogmas and in my shades, you can see it in my shades. I still have my skeleton out, you know, because Halloween is still alive. But yeah, let's just see what I get into today. That cash money. So I suck at Vlogmas. I forgot that I was supposed to do it. But we are going to get a Christmas tree. Finally. Are you excited for our tree? Yeah. He's not. And it's almost 10 and we're going right now. But I'm excited to decorate it. But he said Lucky is going to piss on the tree.
He is. He's gonna pee on the tree.
No.
He's a dog.
He's an angel. He's a precious baby. But yeah, so I guess you'll come with me on our Target trip. Late night adventures. Look, Zenna's.
So we're going to get this damn tree.
Yeah.
Okay? Is you okay?
Barely. Look, they have a bye-bye baby over here.
A lot of stores. Got a liquor store right there.
Oh, because I can drink liquor. We're over here in like Richardson, I think.
Saltgrass. That was a lot of fucking.
Saltgrass.
What is that?
Oh, Collin
Outside.
College. Wow, of course my lipstick would be gone. They didn't have the tree I wanted. And I'm sad because we drove like 30 minutes away for the crap. But yeah, just shopping around. Got this cute joy sign. And I'm just looking at candies. Ooh, yum. Best gift ever. Okay. Candy cane. What do I want? Look. Gingerbread greenie. Look. Oh, those are teeny.
How do they know
Like, I think Lucky would like them. And he's regular. I love her. Hey! It's Elf on a Shelf. Oh, don't mind if I do. Look. Get him a girlfriend. Naughty or nice. Oh, this is cool. Oh my goodness. Oh look. Or this one. I like that one. Oh, get him cold because he's bad. Okay. This one. Bag. Look, Shadow. So he just got home. That dirty ass towel, because these kids are dirty.
Come here, Shadow.
Shadow, I got you a toy. Alright, you uninterested?
Shadow.
Look. You like it? Not interested? Either of y'all?
We learned from Lucky.
Y'all too old? Are y'all too grown? Like it's lamb chop. See how darling? Alright, well, he's not interested.
Come here,
I'll show you what I got from Target. I guess that was that. I got this cute nightgown. Super cute. Yes. Love it. I guess these two. Some little Christmas shorts. And got some treats. Look, gingerbread flavor. Limited edition. I guess I should do it this way. Can you like hold it somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, like, I don't know. It's a little fun.
No, that's good.
I'm super far. Okay. Anyways, here's that gingerbread waste. Aren't you? You want a greenie, Baba?
Yeah, dude.
There you go. Oh, you missed it. Here you go. Here you go, Shadow. It's for your teefies. It's for your teefies. Yeah. Eat the gingerbread man.
Lucky took the whole thing?
Huh? Yeah. Shadow's licking it. Lucky's trying to tear that up. I don't think Shadow likes greenies because other ones he doesn't eat.
He's slow.
Who, Shadow?
Yeah, and
He's so
Lucky's over here
gentle.
tearing it up.
Then I got him shampoo. And Olaf pants. And they're all soft and darling. And this is him. Because you're Olaf. You remind me of the darling. And then we just got Reese's. There you go.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. And then we got this elf on a shelf. Her name is Philomena. So she's darling and she has earrings. We'll use her. And then I'm going to just fill out his last name with these, but they didn't have enough. So I'm going to go to another Target and see if I can find 3 other ones. Right there. And then waters that we never drink. And then that's it. Wait, there's one more bag. Oh, my present. And Joshua surprised me with this. Hey, you wrote on it.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know. With this pine tree. And I'm sad because I'm going to kill it. But yeah, here's your tree. Oh yeah, and at Target they didn't have the tree that we wanted. They really didn't have any trees at all. pretty much. And that sucks. So I'll have to get one online, but like you really can't buy it or get it in store. And then to ship it, it just depends on what tree you want. It's like December 16th or something. But I got this too. And a star one. Where are we gonna put it? Oh, on this side.
Yeah, for now.
Yeah, that'll look nice. And it has glitter on the sides. And now that's it.
We want it right there?
Yeah. And I guess that concludes day 1 of Vlogmas. You want to say bye, Bubba? This is my darling Lucky. I guess I can introduce them. Lucky and then Shadow. Shadow, come here. Come here to baby. There's Shadow. We just got him 2 months ago. Right?
Yep.
Maybe less. And we might get another one. A Shih Tzu.
Mm-hmm.
Right? He said yes. He nodded his head. Just kidding. He doesn't want one. He wants a big dog. For this fool. And he needs a Christmas collar because this one... Why does he even have this on?
I don't know.
Oh. He needs a cute one because we can see his whole neck. Tomorrow will be more fun because we got ish to do. Like not put up a tree. At least that one's done. Back there.
Yep.
So you made my life easy. Maybe we can do Christmas cookies. Or cookies.
Yeah.
Or cake. Or whatever.
Yeah. Cut!